I'm Jo from the Young Carers Project. Now you don't normally see me because I normally do all the stuff in the office so that you can have lots of lovely activities with Sam and Sophie and Liz and Julie and Chrissy and Tanya. But because it's all a bit different at the moment, today I'm going to paint a rainbow. It's my little girl Saoirse, she's going to help me, and we think it would be lovely if you all painted a rainbow at home too, and then we're going to put it in our window so our neighbours can see it. Okay? So first of all, I'm going to draw a big rainbow. So I'm going to draw it and then I'll show you. So big circle, look. Let me see if I can turn you round. No, I can't. Right, turn you round. So big rainbow like this, and then we're going to do one line for the red. Oh, and one for the orange. And one for the yellow. And one for the green. One for the blue. One for the indigo. And a little one for the violet. Okay, now I've got our paints out already. So we've got, can you remember what colours first?
Blue.
Red. And then we've got orange. Or you could mix up, what colours can you mix up to make orange?
Mix.
Red and yellow. Green. Or you could mix blue and yellow for the green. Oh, I forgot the yellow. Red, orange, yellow. Silly me. Yellow. And green. And blue. It's blue. And then kind of indigo. Still kind of blue. And violet. Okay. So we're going to start by painting our big outside one red. Okay, and then we're going to paint orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So we're going to start painting. And we're going to put it on fast now because this is going to take a long time.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you in a minute. The rainbow. You ready to see? And Saoirse decided to paint her fingers. So what we're going to do is Saoirse's painting my hand and I'm going to put my rainbow hand up here. Then we're going to let it dry and we're going to put it in our window, so we'll show you it later. Okay? Now if you paint a rainbow at home, we would love to see your pictures. So you can get your parent or your guardian to send us a picture to our emails, and perhaps it will be in the next newsletter. Alright, bye bye!